Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing a digital marketing strategy for your university. When we talk about university, there are multiple colleges in a university. So how we can plan a proper digital marketing strategy that we will be discussing. And this video is very important for all the marketing managers who are already working in a university or digital marketing consultants, freelancers or companies who are also providing services to a university. So let's get deep down in digital marketing strategy for a university. So in that, let's start. So before starting, let me give you a quick introduction. So we are a Mediagarh. We are a digital marketing company, 7-year-old creative digital marketing agency servicing specially to education institutions, edtech clients. And currently we have a team of 65 plus team members. So let's start. Objectives of digital marketing. When we talk about for a university perspective, first is building brand awareness, then generating leads for student admissions, and third, engaging students and parents. Digital marketing can help engage students and parents at the decision stage and overall engagement after admissions also. So these are the few key objectives of digital marketing when we talk about university marketing. Then creating a consistent presence, that is very much important, so that for the next year admissions also it helps, because a student starts looking at a university 6 months prior to when he applies and when he goes for the actual admission. And then creating compelling content which gives a sense to a student that yes, this university is a must go for me and this university I should join. Now here we have taken an example of Techno India University, which is a very good university in West Bengal, and it's there from a quite long time. So here we will go deep dive in the digital marketing strategy for Techno India. Now whenever we create a digital marketing strategy, we divide it in three parts. First is the research phase, where we go for the complete research. Second is the action phase, where we implement things, we go for the campaign execution and action. Then third is the result analysis phase. In the result analysis, we actually check how our campaigns are performing and what overall result it's giving. So for result stage, I will also show my research sheet where we do the research part. Now in the research phase, these are the few things which we will be focusing on. So first thing is brand's current offering, what courses our brand is offering. Then current digital status, what is the current digital status of brand. Then now we will move forward to the competition analysis, what competitors are doing and what is the current digital status comparison to competitors. Then who is the target decision maker, that analysis we will be doing. Now to launch the campaigns, we need to do lot of keyword research, so we will be moving for the keyword analysis. Then we will be moving for the audience research. In the audience research, we will be researching the complete part of audience. Then further we will be moving for the landing pages research, and finally in the creative research, and we will make the campaigns live. Now when we talk about current offerings, so in the current offerings, the courses offered are, one is School of Engineering, then School of Science, then School of Computer Application, then School of Management, School of Architecture, School of Pharmacy. So currently there are six different colleges, and in these six colleges there are different courses. There are other colleges also, but first we have taken these six and we will analyze one course based on the research. You can do search for all the other colleges of your university. Now current digital status is, website status is active. Instagram, they have 13.8k followers, Facebook 212k followers, and YouTube 7.39k subscribers. Now let's check the website first, Techno India University website first. Now you can see the website, admission 2025. Here you can see this is the home page. Now in the home page section, this is completely blank, and this there is a notification which is an admission notification. So here there is a scope of improvement. Then explore Techno India University West Bengal. There is a placement brochure, academic brochure, information brochure. There are a lot of brochure. School of Commerce, School of Nursing. When I'm checking the website, overall it's looking okay, but when I compare it with other universities, let's check Parul University website. So I feel when I check this homepage, this is giving me a proper visualization. If I will join Parul University, how will be my life? How what type of students, what type of co-students I will interact. This is giving me a grand picture. But when I compare to this, the images are also not properly optimized, and they are using those images. Then here there is a issue which can be improved. overall this homepage is made like years ago. Nowadays, if we check the recent trends, so based on that, I feel there is a scope of improvement. Now, if we check the Alliance University Bangalore, so here also you can see grand look. Then there are a lot of student photos. Then faculties are there. Then after that, faculty, infrastructure, campus, learning center, everything is available in the homepage itself. Then placements. Then after placements, there is a another content. Now, if I move to next connect, now if I move for the next connect, now in the next connect, when I see there is, now let's take examples of other universities also. Let's move to this private university, Reva University. First, here they are giving lot of full visual effects this homepage is giving. But when I compare to this, Alliance one is a better, and then Parul one is also, Parul University page is better. So I think this should be updated as per the latest trends. Here they should have more of student testimonials. Then with student testimonials, there can be lot of videos and other things. Then if I go for the specific School of Engineering page also, so here they are just School of Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. Now if as a student I am just seeing this page, so this page doesn't look good. There can be lot of things which can be improved. Like now if I am saying the Computer Science page, there can be 2 videos of faculties who can explain like what this course is all about. Then after that, there can be 5 or 6 videos of the students, what's their experience when they have pursued this computer science and engineering thing. Then if I go to same other courses also, so I feel that there is lot of improvement which can be done in the website part. Now we have also mentioned few competitors. So competitors are Institute of Engineering and Management and University of Engineering and Management and JIS University. Now when I check these universities, so when I check this competitor sheet, so this is my sheet where we have mentioned lot of things. So there is competitive analysis. When I check this website, Institute of Engineering and Management, then University of Engineering and Management, and then JIS University. If I check these website, here the content is okay, same issue which we were discussing in the other websites also. Not much of the photos and videos which interaction is needed. Here we can see lot of photos used. This is giving a visualization to a student. In this website also they have mentioned what students say, but that can be again improved. So I am comparing Techno India University website to India level universities and giving you the scope, like what all improvement can be done. Now after that, let's move forward. After checking the competitors analysis, we need to check their Instagram pages also, like how competitors are performing, what sort of communications they are using. So we will analyze all the Instagram profiles of these competitors. So here you can see IIM, there are a lot of, they are using more of the static posts, whereas nowadays universities are using more of the video content which can be optimized. Now we need to understand the decision makers. Who are the actual decision makers when they enroll in a university or mainly a college? So first is students who have completed their graduation and actually looking for post graduation when we talk about MBA or some postgraduate course. Then students who are working in some companies from past 2-3 years and now looking for post graduation. This we are talking about MBA. Now students who have completed 11th and 12th class and looking for graduation. These are the decision makers, or parents having the children between age 18 to 26 years actively looking for bachelor and master programs. But nowadays maximum is the student who are the decision makers. Now if we do marketing, we should have a clarity on the intent analysis. If searches are on Google, then definitely higher intent. If leads are from social media, then definitely a student is scrolling and in that middle of the scroll he is seeing some ad, then definitely the intent is lower. Now if I go to Google, and in Google if I search best university of West Bengal, then definitely my intent is higher and I am looking admission in the university. But if I'm just scrolling and in that if I click on some ad, then definitely intent is lower. So we need to understand that intent also while planning marketing. Now for the audience research, so audience research we can target students and the parents. Let's say there are other stakeholders also, brothers, sisters. So based on that we can create different audiences, and in that different audiences we can plan. Now we can take audiences which are looking for a university, looking for a bachelor's degree, looking for a MBA, NDA, and the audience should be mainly from the West Bengal, or we can do a data analysis from where the past 3 years, from what all locations students have came to the university, students have joined the university. Based on that, we can take decision making and move for the audience. Now after that, for the Google search, we can focus on different keywords. Now this is the overall keyword, but when we go for the Google search, we focus on grouping the keywords. So keywords can be grouped in three ways. First is generic based grouping, second is brand based grouping, and then there is competitive based grouping. Now let me explain you what is generic based grouping and what is brand based grouping and what is competitive. In the generic based, we will be taking the generic keywords. Now let's say school of engineering, best engineering colleges in Kolkata, BTech college in Kolkata, top BTech college in Kolkata. This is the general which people search. Then brand based keywords. Now in brand based keywords, school of engineering, people will search BTech course in Techno India University, Techno University course, Techno India University, Kolkata fee structure. Then in school of engineering, mainly student will search Chandigarh University. Now this is a competitive based grouping. Now if you have a competitor, if any student is searching for that competitor's admission, then they can see your ad. Like here, student is searching from UEM fee structure for BTech, and at the same time he can see ad of Techno India University, UEM BTech CSC fee structure. So based on that, let's say if we go for school of management, then there can be keywords based on the generic top MBA colleges, then Techno India University MBA course, or MBA from UEM. So based on that, we can do the research and start the campaigns. Now once keyword research is completed, next research we should follow is the landing pages research. What all landing pages competitors are running, what type of landing pages, what content they are using for the course promotion, and what landing pages we are using. So here you can see this is the landing page of competitor where they have mentioned scholarship. Then the creatives, you can see 14.4 lakh students awarded the scholarship. Then they are giving the complete scholarship phase, and then video also is there on the landing page, and then the student placements are properly highlighted. Now this is another landing page where they are using admissions open, then curriculum, then placement statistics, then students, then faculty and international collaboration, alumni, and overall video. So this you can see. Then another landing page of a university, this is the internal page. Okay, this is the internal page. So here also you see there are a lot of videos which are used in the landing pages which we are checking. So same way, if we are planning digital marketing, we should analyze everything when we need to make a campaign live. So if I have to make a campaign live for Techno India University, first I will do the complete research on the keywords part, complete research on the competitors part, complete research on what their competitors are doing, what type of creatives they are running. Now then I will also do a research on creative ads, what all creative ads other people are using, and what all creatives we can use. For this also we have a complete detailed research. In that detailed research we can check, let's say if we need to target MBA colleges, so we will check all the creatives. All this is a complete research which we had done, what all creatives other colleges are running, what all videos other colleges have. So based on that we can plan like what type of video communications we can plan and we can use. So this research is also very important. Now once this is done, now the time is for the action. Now in the action phase, our target should be to create an audience funnel first. Whatever course we need to sell, we need to first plan an audience funnel. Once the audience funnel is finalized, then we can, based on that, we can plan the landing page designs, creative designs, Google ad copies, Facebook ad design, and then we can run for the campaigns. Now in the audience funnel, what we can do is, in the top of the funnel we will be focusing on the landing page views and scrolls. So for that we have to create a best landing page so that maximum user interacts with that and fills the form. So that's the awareness stage. Now in the engagement stage, there is an inquiry stage where engagement is key primary function. We can give a proper introduction to university via post, videos, newsletters. So that comes in the engagement stage. Now once the student is in engagement stage, next stage where you can send more of the communications as in we can set up lead nurturing via WhatsApp. Whatever lead is coming, they can get a communication via WhatsApp or email marketing, or more targeted communications. So that comes in the consideration stage, which is the application stage. So we will be moving in the application part in the consideration stage. Now after that, let's say applications are accepted or rejected, then again we can move for a deeper level of counseling, and once that is done, then we can move for the fees collection stage, we can go for the admission stage. Normally this process takes 1 month or 45 days on an average. Sometimes the date is closure and the admissions and the session is starting, then whatever leads come in the end will can close soon. But otherwise, if the lead is generated before the admissions, like 3 to 4 months back or 6 months back, then definitely student takes time for the conversion. So we need to understand the audience funnel. Now this audience funnel can be for each and every course, whatever course we are running and planning. Based on that, we should plan and move forward. Now once this audience funnel is finalized, the next phase is final action, which is to get maximum traffic in the top of funnel via Google search campaigns. Our focus should be to get maximum traffic. Now once the traffic is there on the landing page, then people will fill form, students will fill the form. Then after that, we can nurture them for later stages so that they can move in the middle of the funnel, and ultimately at the end, our target goal, they can reach to our target goal, which is admissions, get admissions. Then we can move for the remarketing campaigns, WhatsApp engagement, and finally we can also plan webinars, and then we can move for the counseling. Now Google ad copy for search campaigns. So in the search campaigns, we can see there can be a complete copy. Now in that copy, we should use proper ad extensions, then proper text which in the keyword insertion, and at the same way proper headlines which should be used. If we are using the everything in a proper way, then definitely we can get good results. Now again, we have shown the keywords. We can go for the generic based grouping, brand based grouping, and competitor based grouping. Based on that, we can get maximum results. Same way, based on the ad group, we should plan our media plan, that if we are spending, let's say, X amount of budget, so 1/3 of X amount will be on the specific based grouping, then 50% will be on the generic based grouping. So based on that planning is also very important. Now once you have started getting leads, the next way part is very important, which is lead nurturing. Now how you can nurture the leads? Mainly via WhatsApp. That is very important because lead has filled the form and they are filling form in 10 university pages. Now at the same time, if you are sending proper communications via WhatsApp, via email, you are nurturing them via SMS, and you are nurturing them via IVR or remarketing, then it will close to admissions. So that is very important. Now in the lead nurturing plan, what we can do is we can share them a welcome brochure. Then day 3, why Techno India University, what is Techno India University. Day 3, we can send them course benefits. Then next day we can send them the complete admission process. Then we can move for the student success stories, testimonial videos. Once the student will get everything, then based on that, then they will take decision what needs to be done. So it's very important that we focus on the right lead nurturing strategies. Then we should also focus on remarketing. In the remarketing creatives and videos, we should specifically directly focus what type of videos we can use for remarketing, or what type of creatives we can use for remarketing, which can give higher engagement from the students. When they see those creatives on social media or on internet, they get connected. So here in the remarketing, you see 112 plus recruiters, highest package 67.6 LPA. This is nurturing the students who have already interacted with us, who have already filled our lead form. So this is also very important. So remarketing is mainly when a user visits your website, that user gets tracked, and after tracking, that user sees our ad on other websites. Other websites is maybe on Google, maybe on Meta, maybe on email. Everywhere, wherever he goes, he see our ad. Now next we can do is webinar planning. How we can plan webinars for the leads who are already in the interest stage or in the counseling stage, so that they can move next to the conversion stage. So webinar planning also plays a very important role. Then in webinar planning, there can be different webinar topics which you can plan. Then after that, nowadays podcast is also very trending. In podcast case, you can take university students podcast, different podcast, how they are planning, how they are experiencing the university. Now once this podcast and everything you are doing, the next phase is lead analysis. You have made the campaigns live, your campaigns are running, your budget is spending a budget. Now next phase is lead analysis. In the lead analysis, your focus should be what are the current leads, what are the budget tweaks we need to do, what are the optimizations we should focus on, and what are the overall goals we are able to fulfill them or not. Now what should a university focus on? University should focus on a long-term strategy with a plan spanning of a year to 3 years. And many universities tend to approach just to start campaigns in the admission season. That can be a approach, yes, to start the campaigns, but otherwise, for a brand perspective and for overall growth perspective, some engagements university should plan for a long term, so that they can achieve regular numbers in a proper way. Otherwise, they will, if they wake up in just in the admission admission season, then definitely they cannot get good results. So here we have taken a example of this Techno India University. Same way, you can also plan your university admissions based on this research. If you are a university or a college, and if you also feel that you need professional help from a company, so you can visit our website mediagarh.com, and even you search on Google best college marketing agency in India, best education marketing agency in India. We are on the first page, first position, then definitely we have that capability to get you also on the first page, first position. So I hope this video helped you to create your university marketing strategy, and definitely if you need any help, connect with us. Thank you.